Hi friends, now look into the next question. Solve the system of equations 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 9, 4x plus y is equal to 7, x minus 3y minus 7z is equal to 6. So look into the system of equations. It is clearly in the form of ax is equal to b. So write it down, the equations in the form of ax is equal to b. That is matrix A is 1 minus 3 minus 7. Okay. Next row 4 1 0 4 1 0 2 3 1 2 3 1. So variables x y z. Okay, and here 6 7 9 6 7 9. So to solve this matrix, first we have to reduce the matrix A into echelon form by performing row operations. Okay, in the previous video, in the previous question I have already explained that first, in order to reduce that to echelon form, first make it as an upper triangular matrix. Okay, so to make the upper triangular matrix we have to make this 0. How it is possible? Multiply the first row into 2 and subtract it from third row. So that is it. R3 is R3 minus 2R1. Okay, and after that we have to make this is 0. How? Multiply the first row into 4 and subtract it from second row. So do these two operations first. First one is R3 is R3 minus 2 into R1. So 2 minus 2 into 1, that is 0. 3 minus minus became plus. 2 into 3, 6 plus 3, 9. 1 minus minus became plus. 2 into 7, that is 14. So 14 plus 1, 15. And here 9 minus 2 into 6. So 9 minus 12, that is minus 3. Okay. Now R2 is R2 minus 4 into R1. So 4 minus 4 into 1, that is 0. Okay. Next 1 minus 4 into 3. Minus minus became plus. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 0 minus minus became plus. 4 into 7, 28. That is here. 7 minus 4 into 6, that is 24. So 7 minus 24, that is minus 70. Okay. Now we already made these two elements 0. Now in order to make the diagonal element, one more element is left to make 0, that is 9. Okay. Now try to make this 0. How? By performing the third row operation, R3 as 13 into 9 minus 9 into 13. Okay, if you make that and subtract it, we will get the 0. So do that. R3 is 13 into R3 minus 9 into R2. Okay, so by that, here 0, 13 into 0 minus 9 into 0, 0. 9 into 13 minus 9, 13 into 9, so that is 0. And here 13 into 15 minus 9 into 28, after calculating you will get minus 15, 7. And the same way minus 3 into 13, minus minus became plus. 9 into 17, after calculating you will get 114. Okay, so the matrix A is reduced to echelon form. Sorry, upper triangular matrix. Okay, you clearly get the upper triangular matrix. So here observe the question carefully. Here they are not, it is not asked to calculate the rank of the matrix. Here it is asked to solve the system of equations. So that means we have to find the x, y, z value, not the rank of the matrix. So furthermore reductions, furthermore operations is not required, because here we got already minus 15 into minus 57 into z is equal to 114. From this we will get z value, and we can substitute that in this equation where it is 13y plus 28z is equal to minus 17, and from that we can find y, and by substituting those two in this equation, x minus the 3y minus 7z is equal to 6. So we get the required answers, that is x, y, z value. Okay, here they are not, it is not asked to find the rank, so we need not to do any operations. Directly take the equations from here. That is minus 57z is equal to 114. That is z is equal to 114 by minus 57, that is equal to minus 2. So 13y plus 28z is equal to minus 17. So that is the equation. So y is equal to minus 17 minus 28, z we got minus 2. So that is minus 2 divided by 13. So after substituting we got the value 3, and x is equal to x minus 3y minus 7z is equal to 6. So x is equal to 3y plus 7z plus 6. So after substituting 3 into 3 plus 7 into minus 2 plus 6. So 9 minus 14 plus 6, that is equal to 1. Okay. So the solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, z is equal to minus 2. So this is the way to solve the questions. Okay. See here, the question is to solve the system of equations, not the rank of the matrix. So this kind of questions you may get in your subjects as well. Next question, the system of equations x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 3, x1 plus x3 is equal to 0, x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 1 has, and options given, it is unique solution or no solution, or infinite number of solutions, or only one solution exists. See, these equations are in the form of ax is equal to b, and they are asking for what kind of solution is possible. This point is also covered in the previously uploaded video, where I have shared you some important points on rank of the matrix, where in that I have already explained you the 3 possible solutions for the matrix in the form of ax is equal to b. It has unique solution if rank of a is equal to rank of b is equal to number of variables, and infinite number of solutions are possible if rank of a is equal to rank of b is less than number of variables, and solution number 3 is no solution exists if rank of a is not equal to rank of a by b. Okay, now we will solve in this question system of equations, and we will see what kind of answer we are getting, what kind of solution is possible for this system of equations. So let us write the given equations in the form of ax is equal to b. 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 minus 1 1, and variables, 3 variables are there, x1 x2 x3, and 3 0 1 3 0 1. Consider the augmented matrix A by B. For this matrix A by B is 1 1 1 3 1 0 1 0 1 minus 1 1 1. Okay, so to find the to solve the given equation, we have to know 3 parameters. Okay, one is rank of matrix A we have to find, and after that we have to find the rank of A by B matrix, and the third one is number of variables. We already know that 3 variables are there. Okay, so to know the solution we have to find these 3. So now look at the rank of the matrix A. So look at the now rank of the matrix A is equal to, so the matrix is it is A 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 minus 1 1. So determinant of the matrix is equal to 1 into 0 minus become plus 1 into 1. So 1 0 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 0 into 1 0. Okay, so that is equal to 1 0 1 minus 0 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 0. So total 0. So rank is less than 3. Okay, we have to find the determinant for the submatrix. So determinant of the submatrix, we will take the 1 1 1 0 submatrix. So determinant is 1 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1, so minus 1, which is not equal to 0. So rank of the matrix is 2. So rank of matrix A is equal to 2. Now we will find the rank of augmented matrix A by B. Now calculate the rank of the augmented matrix A by B. Look at the augmented matrix A by B. It is 3 by 4 matrix, that is 3 rows and 4 columns. Now it is better to find the rank of this augmented matrix using echelon form. In the previous we uploaded videos, and in previous numericals I have explained how to reduce the matrix to echelon form. Okay, first we have to make the matrix to upper triangular. After that, try to make remaining elements 0. Now, so to make this matrix into an upper triangular matrix, first we have to make this element is 0. Look at how to make this element is 0. Subtract this R3 from R1, we'll get 0. 1 minus 1 0. So do that. R3 is R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Now we have to make this element is 0. So subtract R2 from R1. So R2 is R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 3 minus 3. Okay. So in order to make this matrix to an upper triangular matrix, we have to make this element 0. So how can we make this 0? Multiply R2 with 2 and subtract it from R3. So R3 is R3 minus 2R2. So 0 minus 2 into 0, so this is 0. Minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2, plus 2. So 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. So 0 minus 2 into 0, 0. Minus 2, minus 3 into minus 2, that is plus 6. So plus 6 minus 2, 4. Now we have to make this became a upper triangle matrix. Now try to make this element is 0. How is it possible? Multiply this with 3, row 3. So 3R3 plus 4 into R2. Multiply this second row with 4 and add. Okay, then we can make this element is 0. But let us see what is happening. So 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0, 0. 3 into 0 plus 4 into minus 1, so minus 4. Here we are getting minus 4. Okay, 3 into 0 plus 4 into 0, 0. 3 into 4 plus 4 into minus 3, so minus 12 plus 12, so 0. We are able to make this 0, but what happening is in this element we are getting minus 4. So now any further operation is not possible, so we have to count the non-zero rows. So non-zero rows are 1 2 3 non-zero rows. That means rank of the augmented matrix A by B is 3. Okay, so we got the rank of A is 2, and here rank of A by B is 3. So rank of A is not equal to rank of A by B. Okay, so in the matrix form Ax is equal to B, the possible solution is here is that point number 3, that is no solution exists if rank of A not equal to rank of A by B. So here option B is correct, no solution, because rank of A not equal to rank of A by B. Option B, no solution. This is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel for more videos.